Focus on the food. All right, so Byron, is looking good for the game tonight, but you're tracking some strong winds for Easter weekend.
Shelly, I'm with you. Let's go down there and grab some of that food. It looks amazing. And the weather, yeah, as you mentioned, it looks great for the game tonight. That first pitch is at 6:35 at the Lab in the lower 70s. Ideal weather for some baseball. Temperatures will trim back into the low 60s, upper 50s as we head through the evening, so likely a jacket to keep you a little bit warm there. Just eat a lot of that food. That will keep you warm. We're looking at that Paseo flyover, a quiet day here in Albuquerque with the first 70-degree temperature we've had so far in 2024. Changes for your Easter weekend, stronger winds and extreme fire danger. That will build in, especially as we get into Easter Sunday, and then some showers and much cooler temperatures build in for next week. Extreme fire danger already in effect for Albuquerque and also areas around Rio Rancho and Santa Fe into Socorro, Las Vegas, Raton, Roswell in this extreme fire danger this evening and likely again tomorrow because of the wind that is expected for tomorrow. We have a high wind warning this evening for areas around the Guadalupe Mountains and also wind advisories for northeast Arizona around Chinle and Cortez and southwest Colorado. Gusts there to 55 miles per hour for tomorrow. Right now, the winds gusting to 36 in Las Vegas and 30 in Grants. Looking at winds gusting to 20 to 26 miles per hour around the Socorro area, up to 78 degrees there. We're 72 here in Albuquerque with 80s for Roswell and Carlsbad right now. So warm weather out ahead of that storm system. Not much cloud cover across New Mexico. There's that storm diving along the California coastline. It's going to be bringing those changes. Now for tonight, just some high clouds that we'll be working through. So a nice night for some baseball or to take the dog out for a walk, grab a bite to eat. As we head into the day on Saturday, we are looking at some more clouds, but breezy to windy conditions and warm temperatures as we head into Saturday afternoon. I think the strongest winds will be across central and western parts of the state, but watch what happens for Sunday. Now for sunrise services in the morning, it looks okay. Still brisk out there in many areas, but the stronger winds kick in for Sunday afternoon. After lunchtime or brunch time into the afternoon and early evening hours, winds could gust over 50 miles per hour for Albuquerque. The temperatures begin to come down. We'll see showers across the Four Corners region on Easter Sunday, and then much cooler as we head back to work and school on Monday with some rain and higher elevation snow showers. Durango, Chinle, Gallup, Grants, the Four Corners region, breezy to windy out there for tomorrow, and then windy with showers and thunderstorms possible on Sunday with dropping temperatures into Monday. Southwest New Mexico, Silver City, Lordsburg, and Deming. Yeah, it's going to be windy tomorrow, but the strongest winds kick in for Easter Sunday. And then look at that drop into the 40s for highs in Silver City with a chance of rain and snow showers on Monday. Ruidoso, Alamogordo, Roswell, Carlsbad, and Hobbs. Warm weather, but it will be windy tomorrow with fire danger. And then the strongest winds kick in Easter Sunday afternoon into the evening, dropping temperatures with a few showers on Monday. Raton, Las Vegas, Santa Rosa. Yeah, this is an area that's known for the wind. And tomorrow and Sunday, Easter Sunday, it's going to be very windy. In fact, the strongest winds will be Easter Sunday with areas of blowing dust possible, dropping temperatures for Monday into Tuesday. And for Santa Fe, Los Alamos, Taos, the northern mountains of New Mexico, it's going to be a windy one tomorrow in Santa Fe, 65, but stronger winds for Sunday. And then look at that drop. Santa Fe highs in the 40s on Monday with a chance of rain and snow showers. And for Bernalillo, Rio Rancho, Los Lunas, and Belen, how about highs in the 70s tomorrow? We'll have wind tomorrow gusting probably at around 40 miles per hour. I think Sunday we could have winds gusting over 50 miles per hour. Easter Sunday, if you have Easter egg hunts planned or picnics, might want to get that done in the early part of the day before those strong winds, and then dropping temperatures back to jacket weather for Monday and Tuesday with highs in the 50s. Doug and Shelley.